This is how you spend 48 hours in the Bahamas. With over 365 islands in the Exumas alone, this tropical paradise is home to secluded beaches, an array of animals you can personally swim with, and enough water sports to keep you entertained for days. In today's video, I'll be going over all the spots you can't miss on your trip here to the Exumas, so let's get started.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome to the beautiful island of Exuma. Today we are doing a really fun tour with Exuma Water Sports. We're gonna go visit the pigs on the beach, go see the iguanas, the stingrays, and so much more. So get ready for a fun and action-packed day. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's get started.
Even though the Exumas have hundreds of islands, if you are planning a vacation here, you'll most likely fly into Great Exuma, where the Exuma International Airport is located. You can also find direct flights right from this airport from big cities in Canada and the US. Great Exuma is the largest of all the Exuma cays, stretching 37 miles in length and connecting to Little Exuma by a small bridge. When I was planning a trip to the Bahamas, the number one thing I wanted to do was go to Pig Beach and swim with the pigs, as I had seen this activity all over Pinterest. Since this has become a bit of a tourist attraction, there are a few other beaches that have popped up which offers this experience as well. The main one is located about an hour boat ride away from Great Exuma at a big major key. So if you want to experience the original one, you do have to do a full day boat trip with a company like this to experience that. We had only done a half-day trip, so they took us to a pig beach that was about a 20-minute ride away, but we still obviously got to see pigs on the beach, feed them some carrots, and it was a grand old time.
We've made it to actual paradise. Us vegans are rejoicing. So this actually used to be a pig farm, and so many tourists love coming to see the pigs that they've turned it into basically a pig sanctuary on the beach. And there's actually pigs here that are only 3 days old. It's the sweetest thing I've ever seen in my life. And you just feed them carrots and they hang out and they have a new life. So we love that.
After leaving the pig beach, we hopped back on the boat and explored along the coast of the surrounding islands, including seeing a really cool blowhole on this beautiful secluded beach where we got to spend some more time on.
We just stopped off on an island known as Williams Key and hiked up to a viewpoint. Our boat is over there, but this whole tour today has just been so lovely, honestly, to be able to really see so much of the Bahamas in such a short period of time. So this is a half-day tour. They do have a full-day tour as well, but even in 5 hours we've been able to see so much, and the tour is only partway done. We are still going to see the iguana. So a lot of celebrities do actually have houses here, and not just houses, but they own the entire island, which is super crazy. So we went past an island that is owned originally by the Johnson & Johnson family, and they bought it for $100,000, sold it for $29 million, so pretty good investment. But I can see why you'd want to own a house here because it's so incredibly beautiful in the Bahamas. Anyways, we're gonna get back on the boat now and continue our tour. But if you guys are ever coming to Exuma, highly recommend Exuma Water Sports. They've been so great. All the people here in the Exumas are so nice, and it's just been a lovely day. We made it onto the island with all of the iguanas. There's so many of them, and they're very friendly. They're definitely used to people coming, but these iguanas are native to the Bahamas and the friendliest iguanas I've ever seen personally. Okay, you guys, just finished the tour. It was honestly amazing, a really great half-day tour. So if you guys are coming to Exuma and are looking for a great way to see a bunch of the islands here, check out Exuma Water Sports. We're gonna get back into a ride, head back to Hideaway, which is where we are staying, and enjoy the rest of this beautiful evening. Today has been perfect. Loving every minute of it, so.
And we finished off our day with checking out this local dinner spot. It was really good food, so definitely make sure you stop by there if you come to this island.
So we have just arrived at the Tropic of Cancer, which is one of the many beautiful beaches here in the Exumas. I would definitely say one of the main things to do here is to go beach hopping, so having your own car is essential. Car rentals aren't the cheapest. We are paying $100 US per day for a vehicle, but if you want to see the island, it's kind of necessary, so highly recommend. Oh my goodness. Literally paradise on earth, you guys. I feel like this water looks like Gatorade. Fully like Gatorade. It looks like water just with food coloring. Yeah. Oh, that's a good, yeah, water with food coloring in it. All the beach essentials coming in hot via Lisa Reid. This tube has traveled around Spain. It's been in Costa Rica, now the Bahamas. Where else? Mexico? It's been everywhere. But you guys, this is actually paradise. So blue. We have our towels set up, ready to enjoy an amazing, amazing beach day here.
We've come down about 5 minutes from the Tropic of Cancer beach to a restaurant called Santana's, and this is located in Little Exuma, and it's really, really beautiful here. This restaurant too is also so fun and tropical. One of the things I love about the Bahamas is everything is really colorful. So houses are colorful, tables are colorful, there's just color everywhere, so it makes for really nice photos and videos, of course. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, definitely make sure you do so, because I've been posting a bunch of reels and fun photos of this trip. But we're very hungry now, so we're gonna eat, get some delicious food, and enjoy this amazing view behind me. One thing about this place you do want to note is that there is a lot of bugs. So as soon as the sun goes down, these sand fly, mosquito things come out, and you get bit like crazy. So definitely bring bug spray because you need it. And my legs this morning, super, super itchy, but we didn't have bug spray yesterday. So next door to the restaurant, they actually have a bakery, and it's all home baked goods. It's called Mom's Bakery. So we're gonna go inside and get some really delicious treats for later. Can we do a Coke? What was this one? Oh, okay. So we're gonna give these cinnamon buns a try. Wow.
No, I don't like all the pop just because she probably love it. So I'm gonna call it an adult drink until she
Really, really good.
here in mine.
And apparently, this bakery is a spot to be on the island. So if you're ever looking for baked goods, check it out.
Thank you so much. Just finished up at dinner and came down to watch one of the most insane sunsets I have ever seen.
And that is how you spend 48 hours in Exuma, from trying the local food spots to exploring remote beaches by boat. Traveling the Exumas is a laid-back experience with beautiful places to explore. I personally loved traveling here myself, and I know you guys would too, so if you've never been here before, definitely add it to the list. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Bye!